The 2025 Force Gurkha is set to uphold its reputation as one of India's toughest off-road SUVs, blending rugged performance with utilitarian design. With a focus on off-road capability, this vehicle is expected to continue offering a true adventure experience, making it a solid competitor in a growing market of 4x4 hands-on nature. One of the vehicle's standout features remains its serious off-road ability, which includes a full-time 4x4 drivetrain. The Gurkha comes equipped with manual locking, differentials at both the front and rear, a feature rarely found in vehicles of this price range. Additionally, it will include a low-range transfer case, making it rocky or uneven terrain with ease, ensuring that no obstacle is too daunting. The exterior design of the Gurkha stays true to its rugged roots, featuring a boxy, utilitarian look that is both functional and iconic. It will feature LED DRLs for a modern touch while maintaining its no-nonsense aesthetic. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the inclusion of a factory-fitted snorkel, enabling the vehicle to wade through water up to 700 millimeters deep without issue. The addition of all-terrain tires and a heavy-duty suspension system ensures that the Gurkha can handle extreme off-roading conditions like steep inclines, deep mud, and challenging rock crawls. Inside, the 2025 Gurkha is expected to see an upgrade in comfort and modern features, though it will still focus on its durable, purpose-built design. The cabin will feature a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth and Android Auto/Apple CarPlay connectivity. The interior will offer improved ergonomics and more refined upholstery, making longer trips more comfortable, while still being tough enough for demanding off-road conditions. The Gurkha will also be available with seating for up to 4 or 6 passengers, depending on the variant chosen. In terms of safety, the 2025 Gurkha is expected to come equipped with essential features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and reverse parking sensors. Higher trims may offer additional safety features, like electronic stability control, ESC, for added confidence while navigating tricky terrain. The expected price range for the 2025 Force Gurkha is between 15 to 18 Indian rupees, lakhs, ex-showroom, placing it in direct competition with other off-road heavyweights like the Mahindra Thar and the upcoming 5-door Maruti Suzuki Jimny. The Gurkha is perfect for those who seek a vehicle that can conquer difficult terrain, while the 2025 Gurkha remains an attractive option for those who want a vehicle that can truly go anywhere and do anything, whether it's a weekend adventure in the mountains or a trek across the wilderness. If you're in the market for a true off-road companion, the Gurkha stands out with its unbeatable ruggedness and unique blend of modern features.